Niagara Falls. Canada's Wonderland. Cup and Saucer. Manitoulin Island. Rotary Trail Park. Toronto Zoo. Task Tulip Festival. CN Tower. Ripley's Aquarium. Toronto Subway, and many more. Walk and explore Ontario, Canada with Lucille's Hive.
Huh?
Is that my fish?
Just go under it.
The CN Tower is a 553.3 m high concrete communications and observation tower in downtown Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Built on the former railway lands, it was completed in 1976. Its name, CN, referred to Canadian National, the railway company that built the tower.
Everybody face to the left. Look at that. Everybody face to the left.
Let go. See?
Thank you. Just 1 second.
You got his in us. Section of us. Ooh, look at that. 3D.
Whoa.
The laser's moving. See it?
Whoa.
You see it dancing, Mom?
The CN Tower held the record for the world's tallest freestanding structure for 32 years, from 1975 until 2007, when it was surpassed by the Burj Khalifa, and was the world's tallest Toronto 2009 when it was surpassed by the Canton Tower. It is currently the 10th tallest freestanding structure in the world and remains the tallest freestanding structure on land in the Eastern Hemisphere. In 1995, the CN Tower was declared one of the modern 7 wonders of the world by the American Society of Civil Engineers. It also belongs to the World Federation of Great Towers. It is a signature icon of Torontoskalan and attracts more than 2 million international visitors annually. It houses several observation decks, a revolving restaurant at some 350 meters 150 ft, and an entertainment complex.
This guy there.
Probably somewhere here. The problem is up there.
Can we get in there?
Tower beer.
This is not a 360.
Huh?
We are in 360, right? 360 restaurants.
What?
360 restaurants.
That's over there. This is just the first floor.
Hi, Seth. Hi.
Look up. Up. Look up, Mom.
Yeah.
We get it. There's mirrors on the roof. Look at all the cities. What do you mean this is the city? Exactly. There's another football thing.
Baseball game. You can watch it from here, Mom. Look, hey, zoom in all the way in. You can look.
Football, you said. That's what I said.
This is baseball.
Oh, whatever. Except no, they're two different things. Exactly. Very different things.
Where's Seth? Buddy, where's Seth? Ha?
Konti lang.
Meron pa yata sa taas.
That's where we start. Go all the way around. Still didn't get the picture.
Because it has like a 10-second timer.
Well, she put the timer on.
This is where we're gonna
Just gonna head up this way. When you're ready to come down, just gonna lamp on the staircase.
Well, this one looks nicer. You get to lean over.
Yeah, this one's with the.
Oh, jeez. I stepped on my...
No. You're just higher. And much higher.
Wow, we really
There is an extra fee to get into the next level, which is the Sky Pod.
Oh, the baseball game's over. Wait, there's two. Unless that's a...
This is my phone.
That's a nice.
I was like, why doesn't it look as nice as this phone?
My phone's ugly. Yeah, the waves look good.
Oh, there's still a guy down
That's a coach is on.
Nej.
There's a few guys.
there. Oh my god, this is so good. That's not even all the way in.
Nej.
Now all the people are gone.
Do it with that one guy.
Should I get one of the cards? My ears are popping.
Oh, I didn't do what I wanted to do. Yes, the guy stepping on the plate.
My ears are popping.
Look at the boats.
I'm feeling lightheaded.
Huh?
My ears
Me too.
are popping.
ऑस्ट्रेलियाની વિઝિટ લગભગ 6 મહિનાનો કરવાની થાય એવું લાગે છે વિઝિટ જ છો તમે
સાડા આની બે લઈ ગયા છે.
અચ્છા
એનો ભાઈ અહીંયા છે.
અરે વાહ
Can you take picture of Nanay?
Huh?